When looking at perfectly competitive markets, you notice that we're facing market structure that has some challenges to it. And what the market structure looks at is how to make adjustments for competition. Competition is very important to look at in this market structure because it's able to dictate how markets are going to react. Markets are going to make a lot of adjustments based on the role of competition. You notice that we'll look at competition, we'll look at firms, and we'll have to make decisions on those. If we look at a scenario and we look at graduating and you run your own business, the thing that you want to look at with all these situations is how to make decisions in markets and adjustments. You must decide how much to produce, what price to charge, how many workers, what factors, your cost, all these different implications will be important. You'll notice that the characteristics, there's many buyers and sellers. The goods offered for sale are largely the same. Firms can freely enter and exit the market. The thing is, when they can do this, they can set their own market price. Being able to set your own market price can be critical for markets. The adjustment process could be an important implication for us. Because what you're looking at with those is how will markets adjust if more competition is present, but you're not able to change the market price. Not being able to charge the market price can make it more determination on the adjustment. Being able to adjust in the markets to how firms can adjust could be important. So these are going to be some of the challenges that we're facing this week. If you need additional resources or help, please let me know.